Hello everyone, welcome to the Maitri Tech. So, I'm Brahmaja, a data science trainer, and today I am going to take a very important session regarding the data science. And this session will be in Telugu and as well as in English. సో మనకి ఎవ్రీవేర్ మనము ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అని వింటూ ఉన్నాము. అండ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ మనకి జాబ్స్ రీప్లేస్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ మనం బయట జాబ్స్ అన్ని ల్యాక్ అవుతున్నారు. అసలు మనం ఏం చేయాలి? అండ్ ఈ డేటా సైన్స్ కి ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కి సంబంధం ఏంటి? అండ్ టుడే ఓవరాల్ గా మనము నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, అసలు ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ అంటే ఏంటి, క్లియర్ గా మనం ఒక ఓవర్వ్యూ అనేది ఈరోజు తెలుసుకుందాం. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ఇయర్లీ వెయిటింగ్ టు దిస్ సెషన్. అండ్ నేను ఎన్నో రోజులుగా ఈ వీడియో చేయాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో డేటా సైన్స్ గురించి చాలా మందికి క్లారిటీ లేదు, అండ్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ గురించి కూడా చాలా మందికి క్లారిటీ లేదు. సో అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుంది, అసలు వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపనింగ్ రైట్ నౌ ఇన్ ది వరల్డ్ అండ్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ అన్నది ఈరోజు వీడియోలో నేను క్లియర్గా మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. I hope you guys are ready to listen today's session, and thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We'll start the session, guys. So I hope my screen is visible to you. Fine. Yeah. So guys, basically I am a data science trainer. Till now, almost I am dealing this data science 3 to 4 years. So what is this data science and what this data science mean? So today we are going to learn, okay? So data science is nothing but one of the important core allied branch from the computer science which speaks about the AI. So everywhere we are looking AI, AI, AI. AI is nothing but group of algorithms working together, and we are making our work very easy, simple by using this AI. Okay, guys. So today we are going to learn and what is this data science and what is this AI and what is this generative AI and what is this agentic AI and what is this future of this AI. So today I am going to deliver all these things and what is happening in the real world and what we are going to do. Okay, so here it's a very important session, guys. So just pay attention and listen carefully. Data science. So I hope you guys so many people, okay, last 10 years onwards they are opting for the computer science. So computer science is nothing but one of the branch of the engineering which deals with the programming languages system designs, etc. So is computer science is the branch of the engineering, and this data science is the allied branch from the కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్. సో ఈ మధ్య కాలం మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ దే ఆర్ ఆప్టింగ్ ఫర్ ది ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అండ్ డేటా సైన్స్, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ డేటా సైన్స్. సో ఇలా వాళ్ళు చాలా కొత్త అలైడ్ బ్రాంచెస్ ని ఆప్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. సో మనం బీటెక్ జాయిన్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు వీ డోంట్ నో వాట్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ అండ్ వాట్ దిస్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. బట్ రైట్ నౌ స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ ఆర్ జాయినింగ్ టు ది బీటెక్ దే హ్యావ్ ఫుల్ క్లారిటీ what they are taking and what is this data science, అండ్ వాళ్ళు ఒక ఫ్యూచర్ ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని రైట్ నౌ పిల్లలు లాస్ట్ 2022 ఆన్వర్డ్స్ నుంచి కూడా దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్. సో మీ టు నేను లాస్ట్ 2 years బ్యాక్ ఐ గాన్ త్రూ ద దిస్ డేటా సైన్స్ అండ్ ఏఐ. సో మాస్టర్స్ ఎంటెక్ డిగ్రీని ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అండ్ డేటా సైన్స్ ద్వారా నేను చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఇన్ ది ఐఐటి ఢిల్లీ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ myself, and I have almost 9 years of experience in this IT industry. So here this data science is one of the beautiful evergreen subject for the next 10 years. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting. So today I am going to explain you regarding the main modules we are going to cover in this course actually. So here I am not explaining you this course is a very toughest course. This is a very typical course. You cannot study this course. I'm not telling like that. So this course is future course. So if you want to make your future beautiful, so you guys need to think towards present. So what you are doing present, it makes you the future. So that is the main reason today I will give you the overview, like regarding this data science and what this mean and what are the modules we have. Clear, guys? So fine. One second, I will explain you in the notepad too. So yes, guys. So coming to our course is what, data science with Gen AI and Agentic AI. Okay, so this is our course name. Okay, and it is a full stack. Okay, full stack data science with generative AI and Agentic AI. So first and foremost thing, you guys need to understand every terminology in this word, in this sentence. So full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. So what is this data science? What is this AI? What is this agentic AI? What is this generative AI? Every terminology is very, very important. సో నా దగ్గరికి చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటారు. చాలా మంది వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో దే కేమ్ టు మీ అండ్ ఆస్క్ మీ లైక్ వి డోంట్ హావ్ క్లారిటీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఏ? అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుంది బయట ప్రపంచంలో? అండ్ వాట్ వి టు డూ? అండ్ ఏం చేయాలి? అండ్ ఎలా చేయాలి? సో వి వాంట్ టు గెట్ ద క్లారిటీ. సో చాలా మందికి క్లారిటీ లేదు. సో హౌ టు గెట్ ద క్లారిటీ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. So I deal with some thousands of students. So they came to me and asked me, so what is happening, ma'am, and what is this, and can you give me a clear clarity about this AI? So first and foremost thing, getting clarity is very important, guys. Without having clarity, nothing is going to happen. So that is very very important thing. You need to understand every terminology. So that is the main thing. నా దగ్గర వచ్చే ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కి చెప్పేది. So guys, first understand the terminology. Understanding the terminology is very very important. Simply ask some questions to my students basically. So what is AI? So some people told me that AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, okay, fine. What this artificial intelligence is doing? We are looking Robo movie. So Robo, it is a AI. So what you are learning from that movie? What is happening? How that Robo is working? A Robo ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది? సో అడిగిన వెంటనే అది ఎలా టాస్క్ చేస్తుంది? సో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? So this is very very important, guys. You guys need to understand regarding this artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the next, for 10 to 20 years, it is going to rule the world. So in our course sentence, full stack data science with generative AI and agentic AI. So we have AI. So what is this AI? And what is the link between data science and AI? It's very, very important. And today I am going to explain you in detail every word. So what is AI? What is this generative AI, etc., etc. Okay. So AI is nothing but group of algorithms working together. So basically, guys, artificial intelligence. So basically, for artificial intelligence, some algorithms needed. So we have so many algorithms: logistic regression, SPM, XGBoost. So many algorithms we have. So these algorithms are helping to do the task. So algorithms are playing the key role. Algorithms are playing the key role. So artificial, so many people like a general thing. What is artificial intelligence means? Artificial intelligence is nothing but think like a human, work like a human, and it can do more than human do. Yes, it's correct. So it's correct. You guys need to understand as a technical person. You guys need to answer the question as a technical person. It's very very important. So artificial intelligence is nothing but group of algorithms working together. Group of algorithms working together. So this is what artificial intelligence is. Okay. So basically, what is this generative AI? So we know what is AI now. So AI is nothing but group of algorithms. Then what is this Gen AI? What is this Gen AI? So Gen AI is nothing but Group of algorithms only, but something need to add here. So group of algorithms are working for the generative AI also, but group of pre-trained algorithms. What? Group of pre-trained algorithms are working. So group of pre-trained algorithms are nothing but generative AI. What is this pre-training? So guys, I am a data science trainer. So I am training the students regarding the data science. So ఇప్పుడు నేను స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తున్నాను. సో రిగార్డింగ్ ద డేటా సైన్స్, హౌ వాట్ ఈస్ డేటా సైన్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఏఐ అండ్ వాట్ ఆర్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ అండ్ హౌ దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియో ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డేటా సైన్స్ అయితే మనం నేర్చుకుంటున్నామో అండ్ వాట్ వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ విత్, సో ఈ జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ అన్నది లాస్ట్ 2025 లో ఇట్ రూల్ ద వరల్డ్. So you can tell, generative AIs like Chat GPT, okay, Gemini AI, okay, Perplexity, okay, so many. Now, we know something like Sarvam AI. These all are the generative. These are LLMs, large language models, and we have image generations. So by generation means not it can generate the text data, it can generate the text data, it can generate the image data, it can generate the audio data, it can generate the video data. Okay, so these all are it is generating. Okay, how it is generating is the question. So the question is, very good. Like a generative AI is working very well. It is generating text data, it is generating image data, it is generating audio data, it is generating video data. Okay, well and good. So how it is generating is the question. How it is generating? How it is generating? So you guys need to understand, in the greater manner, how it is generating. So how it is generating? Because it is trained, guys. See, now I am a data science trainer. I am training the people. So how I am training? Step by step. So I follow some rules. So if I am training the data science, so I start with the foundation Python. Next advanced Python. Like this manner, machine learning. I go step by step. Same like that. See, we are using algorithms. We are using algorithms for training the model. Okay, so what is a model? ChatGPT is one model, Gemini AI is the one model, Sarvam AI is the one model. Okay, so model is one of the AI models. So it's look like a apps only, but model is completely depending on the, okay, whatever model is performing what based on our training data. So without training, model is going to not work. Simply, model is like us. So we are the model. So we are the models. So we are doing the task. So same like us, model is also doing the task. So simply you need to understand, model is like a human beings. So our main goal is developing the models. Our main goal is developing the models. So developing the models is playing the key role, guys. You guys need to understand here. So here training. So we are training the model. We are training the model. So because of the training only, the generative AI models are working. Generative AI models are working. Well and good, guys. So you guys having clarity now on what is AI. AI is nothing but group of algorithms, and you have clarity that what is a generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but group of pre-trained algorithms. Fine, well and good, right? So then what is this agentic AI? So what is this agentic AI, guys? So you have the clarity on what is AI. So AI is what AI means? It is a group of algorithms. Then what is Gen AI? So you have clarity on what is Gen AI. So Gen AI is nothing but group of pre-trained algorithms. Okay. Then what is this agentic AI? So the next question is what is this agentic AI? What does agentic AI do? So guys, AI is nothing but group of algorithms, and generative AI is nothing but group of pre-trained algorithms. Then what is this agentic AI? Right now it is ruling the world in 2026. So agentic AI is nothing but like, group of autonomous autonomous AI agents. So group of autonomous AI agents is nothing but like, agentic AI. The group of autonomous AI agents is called as a agentic AI. Understood, guys? Fine. Yeah, one second. Yes, guys, back to the session. So fine. So this is like, autonomous AI agents. So what is this autonomous AI agents, guys? What is this autonomous AI agents? So autonomous means nothing but automatically. Autonomous is nothing but automatically. Okay, you listened about driverless cars. Driverless cars. So driverless cars are moving without driver. Automatically it is moving, which is called as a agentic AI. Which is called as a agentic AI. Understood. So driverless cars. Right now we have Claude AI, Claude, which is developed by Anthropic, which is example for the agentic AI. So this agentic AI is nothing but like, doing task automatically without having a man effect. Generative AI just generates the information. Generative AI just generates the information. See, I will take one scenario, guys, here to understand better. So you want to book the flight tickets. Book the flight tickets from Hyderabad to from Hyderabad to Delhi. Okay. So you want to book the flight tickets. So you don't know how to book the flight tickets. So you want to get the information. So you want to get the information means you can ask the chat generative AI. So generative AI gives the information how to book the flight tickets. How to book the flight tickets. So it is not going to book the flight tickets. Generative AI just gives the information how to book the flight tickets. But agentic AI, okay, if any application is there to book the flight tickets, if you like, my name is so and so and I want to book the flight tickets from Hyderabad to Delhi on so and so date, so can you book the flight tickets? So it is going to book the flight tickets and it is going to everything, and finally payment need to be done by you. So you need to do the payment. So everything, so step by step process it is going to do. It is called as a agentic AI. So AI is very important, guys. AI, this like, group of algorithms are working for the generative AI and agentic AI also. So it is very very important. You need to understand. So clarity is playing the key role. If you don't have the clarity, what is what, you cannot. So please pay attention, and I hope you have the clarity now. What is AI? What is generative AI? And what is this agentic AI? So well and good. So guys, now our main like, terminology is the data science. So what is this data science? So now you have the clarity that so like, what is this AI, what is this generative AI, and what is this agentic AI? Then what is this like, data science? So what is this data science, guys? So what this data science speaks about? Okay, so data science is nothing but like, group of subjects. Group of subjects is called as a data science. So data science is a subject which completely speaks about a group of subjects. So I already told you guys like, data science. Note this point. Data science is the branch. Is the branch of what? Computer science. Okay, so data science is a branch of computer science. So what this data science is doing? Data science is the branch of computer science. So in the computer science, we have so many languages like C programming, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, like in computer designing, DBMS, etc., etc. So many subjects we are learn like in computer science. So here, like data science is the allied branch of computer science. So in the data science, like we have so many subjects, guys. So the first and foremost, like subject is a Python. So Python is the basic core subject. You need to have the knowledge on Python. Next one is you guys need to have the knowledge on advanced Python. Okay, advanced Python. So advanced Python is the second important, like subject. So in the Python, you guys are just going to understand what is a variable, okay? What are the functions, okay? Functions concept and like data types, okay? Next, data structures, oops, concepts, okay? So these are like basic Python. This is the like you need to understand the basic like knowledge on Python. So what is this advanced Python? In advanced Python, you guys are going to learn about the libraries. Okay, what are the libraries? NumPy, okay, Pandas, Matplotlib library, Seaborn. So these are the like basic libraries. These are the basic. So many libraries are there, like PyTorch, Scikit-learn, like TensorFlow, Keras. So many are there. Okay, but in the advanced Python, these are the basic libraries which are very, very important for the upcoming, for the machine learning subject, deep learning subject. So these are the two very core subjects you guys need to learn for the data science. So next subject is statistics. Okay, so statistics, or we call as a like math. So here it is a very, very important. In this one, like we are going to learn about the algebra, okay, and polynomial concepts, correlation, okay, matrix. So many things we are going to learn. So statistics are very, very important, guys. Why? Because backend for the machine learning stats are working. So backend of the every algorithm, so we have artificial intelligence, machine learning. For every algorithm, stats are working in the backend. Stats are working in the backend. Understood, guys? So statistics is playing the key role. Statistics is playing the key role. Understood? So I am telling the flow. So this is the flow I am dealing with my students. So why? Because the subject which we are learning should be a structured format. సో మనం చదువుకునే ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా కూడా ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ గా ఉండాలి. సో స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ ఈస్ ప్లేయింగ్ ద కీ రోల్. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో స్ట్రక్చర్, what is the use? There is no use, right? So structured format is very, very important. So basic Python is important, advanced Python is important. Once you're done with these two only, you need to entering into the statistics. Understood? So once you're done with the statistics, is next one is a feature engineering. Next one is a feature engineering. So feature engineering is another important one. So feature engineering speaks about what? It is also one of the data analysis which can convert, which can convert numerical, okay, categorical data to numerical data. Which is going to convert into categorical numerical data, or numerical data to categorical data. So this is one type of the like analysis. So this feature engineering is playing the key role for the machine learning. So you need to understand the machine learning means this feature engineering is playing the key role. If you don't have the knowledge on feature engineering, you cannot understand the machine learning. So these four are very, very important to enter into the core subject, which is machine learning, which is so machine learning. Okay, so you want to understand the Mission learning. So you want to understand mission learning means you need to understand about all these things. Understood? So mission learning is playing the key role. What is mission learning? Okay. So what is this mission learning? Mission learning is nothing but working with algorithms. Working with algorithms to do prediction. To do prediction. So to do prediction, machine learning is playing the key role. Understood, guys? So machine learning is one of the very important core subject. Once you're done with the machine learning, the next core subject is deep learning. So deep learning is very, very important. If you understand the machine learning only, you will understand the deep learning. Deep learning is also used for the prediction only, but it is going to understand deeper manner. It involves the neural networks. So neural networks are playing key role. Okay, so neural networks are playing a key role. It's same like your neurons, guys. In our brain we have neurons, right? So without our neurons we cannot work. Same like the deep learning is a technology which completely speaks about the neural networks. Understood? So it is these all are very, very important. So once you're done with this one, the another subject is NLP. What is this NLP? Natural language processing. Okay, natural language processing is the another subject which completely speaks about the text data. Which completely speaks about the text data. So guys, here for every subject for machine learning, so scikit-learn is the one of the library which is playing the key role. And for the data deep learning PyTorch, Keras, the TensorFlow, those are playing the key role. So the NLP, natural language processing. So the text data. So text data, NLTK, natural language toolkit, text blog. We have so many libraries are there for the natural language processing, which completely speaks about the text data. Okay, which completely speaks about the text data. Next one is the eighth one is the computer vision. What is this one? Computer vision. So what is this computer vision? This computer vision we simply call as a CV, which completely speaks about the image data. Okay, which completely speaks about the image data. So this image data is a very, very important. ChatGPT is generating images, Midjourney is generating images. So many applications we have generating the images. Backend computer vision is there. So these all are the very core subjects for the data science. So data science is the evergreen for the next. See, you lost your job. So you are looking for the new job role. So freshers are thinking what is the best course to take. So data science is the best course to take, and it is the best option for your next further career. Understood, guys? So once you're done with this one, and we have Gen AI. So Gen AI is one of the advanced, guys, already so many chat GPT applications we have. So we are going to work with generative AI. We are going to learn about LLMs, okay, transformers, RAG, okay, transformers. So many things we are going to learn in the generative AI, guys. Okay, so generative is the one of the advanced level. So when coming to the basic level, Python and statistics feature is the basic level, and coming to the machine learning, deep learning, NLP are the somewhat intermediate level subjects. And when coming to the generative AI is one of the advanced level subject, guys. Advanced level subject. So and as well as the agentic AI also, and as well as the agentic AI is okay. Agentic AI is also one of the advanced level. So we are going to do all these learnings. So apart from this, we are going to deal with apart from these subjects, we are going to deal with SQL, structure query language, and we are going to deal with the subjects Power BI. Okay, subjects like Power BI. Power BI also we are going to train you. Okay, these all are the main core subjects you guys need to understand. So these all are the subjects of the data science. These are the subjects of the data science. Understood? So in the PPT, I given in the clear manner what are the modules we have. So you guys are looking towards this one. So what are the modules, main modules covering in this course? Like, the foundation. The foundation or what, guys? The foundation is basic Python, advanced Python, statistics, feature engineering, and like, SQL is the foundation level. So when coming to the advanced level, in the advanced level, we guys are learning what, guys? Artificial intelligence core subjects. Okay. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Okay. So computer vision, these are the, like, core subjects. Okay. So when coming to the advanced level, so in the advanced level, we guys are learning what? So large language models, retrieval, augment generation, prompt engineering, generative applications, so many things we are going to learn in the generative AI. Then what is this agentic AI? So I already told you. So this agentic AI, we are covering MCPs, okay, autonomous AI agents, so many things we are going to cover here. So I hope you guys are understanding what these all are. And next one is, apart from this one, we are like, training data visualization and cloud training also. Data visualization cloud training is also very important actually, and we are training Power BI, Azure AI in this part of this one. So apart from all these, we are providing a career, like, training also. Why? Because so many people are like, they are not getting jobs. Why they are not getting jobs? Even they have a proper skill set, okay, but they don't know how to prepare a resume, how to, like, approach the people, and they don't know how to apply through LinkedIn, Naukri, and we have data jobs websites, so many websites are there. They don't know how to apply and how to reach the people, how to get the referrals. So I am going to train you additionally all this. And right now some people are facing a very big issue, that is a communication skills. So communication skills should be a very good. So why? Because without proper communication skills, you will not get the job. Why? Because the interview should be in English. So if you are unable to speak in English, how can you get the job? So that's a very important. So apart from this, we are going to train you all this one, and we are doing, like, so many projects, nearly, like, 8 to 10 projects we are going to do in this, like, data science. Why? Because you need to put all your, like, projects into Git. So when you are putting in the GitHub, you will get the, like, good impression. So getting good impression is very important, guys. Getting good impression is very, very important. So you need to follow all these things. It's a very, very important. You need to understand. So I hope you guys are getting. So next slide is, this is all about the demo session which I am going to cover. I already, like, covered my introduction. So what I am, and regarding, like, data science, what is the difference between AI, Gen AI, and agentic AI. So, like, in next classes, in coming classes, I will explain you another, like, data science, and what is this data science and data analytics, data engineer differences, and what these all are doing. So many things we are going to discuss, and daily I am going to, like, train you in the greater manner. And right now it is a very, very important, guys. You need to learn AI, because without AI, without, like, AI skills, you cannot survive in this world. It's for sure. Understood? So this is my introduction. Okay, this is, like, regarding myself, and where I work, and etc, etc. And you can also follow me in my LinkedIn, like, Brahmaja Pattupogula. You can connect with me in the LinkedIn also. So who can learn this course? Like, who can learn this course? I mentioned here. So here, who are eligible to take this course, and beginners and students, like, who are ready to begin their career. So they are in the BTech or completed the BTech. So what can I do next? So what can I learn? So they can learn this course, like, it's the best career, guys. Why? Because for the next 10 to 20 years, AI is ruling the world. You need to have the knowledge on these things. Without having the knowledge, you cannot survive in this world. It's for sure. Okay, so just trust me. Like, why? Because I already experienced so many things. I face a lot of struggles, and I am here in front of you, means because to guide you. Okay, it's very, very important. And like, IT professionals. So IT professionals are also eligible to take this course, and who are developers, testers, support engineers, whoever. Like, why? Because Amazon, okay, and Oracle. so many layoffs are happening. So why? Because they are paying so much of amount, but they are not getting anything from there. So they didn't update it. ఇప్పుడు మనకి అప్డేట్ అవ్వనప్పుడు వీఆర్ నాట్ అప్డేటెడ్ ఇన్ అవర్ స్కిల్ సెట్ మీన్స్ కంపెనీస్ ఎందుకు మనల్ని ఉంచుకుంటాయి? సో మన వల్ల వాళ్ళకి లాభం ఉండాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు మన వల్ల వాళ్ళకి లాభం లేనప్పుడు వై దే పే టు అస్? నో, రైట్? సో ఈ పాయింట్ యూ టు నోటీస్, లైక్ మనము నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు మనకు పే చేస్తారు. సో మనకెప్పుడు స్కిల్ ఉంటుందో, మనకి ఏదైతే నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. అండర్స్టూడ్ గైస్? ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద గ్రేటర్ మేనర్. వితౌట్ this, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so not technical professionals also, so many people, like doctors, engineers, they are in the mode of, like ఫర్ దేర్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్. ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్సే ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు మనకు హెల్త్ ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది. సో ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్న ఏవైతే స్కానింగ్స్ కావచ్చు, ఎంఆర్ఐ, సిటీసీ, ఏవైతే స్కానింగ్స్, వాటి ఎన్నికలంతా కూడా ఏఐ ఉంది. సో దే నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఏఐ, హౌ ఏఐ ఇస్ వర్కింగ్. సో సిఏ, చార్ట్ అకౌంటెంట్స్ ఉంటారు, దే నీడ్ టు అనలైజ్, ఓకే ట్యాక్స్ ఎంత పే చేయాలి, ఎంత అనలైజ్ చేయాలి. సో వాళ్ళ వర్క్ వాళ్ళు ఈజీ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ అయినా, సిఏ అయినా, ప్రొఫెసర్ అయినా, ఒక మేనేజర్ అయినా, సిఇఓ అయినా, ఎవరైనా సరే, దే నీడ్ టు మేక్ దేర్ వర్క్ ఈజీ. దే నీడ్ టు మేక్ దేర్ వర్క్ ఈజీ. వాళ్ళ వర్క్ ని వాళ్ళు ఈజీ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే దే నీడ్ టు ఇంటిగ్రేట్ ఏఐ ఇంటూ దేర్ ఫీల్డ్స్. So if they are not integrating AI into their fields, means their jobs are in risk. Okay, so this one you need to understand. Okay, managers and, like business leads, so they need to understand, like very very important, your business need to grow. So you need to, like make your business into the next level. So this is playing the key role. And researchers and academics, so research people and academics, so people who are studying, working. So AI is, like using in a greater manner. So you need to do research, you can prepare papers, etc etc, using this AI. Okay, so entrepreneurs and startups, like you can also use this AI. So these people are eligible to learn these, like data science. So AI, every person, even the kids in their schools also, they are learning AI. సో పిల్లలకి స్కూల్స్ లో కూడా వాళ్ళకి ఏఐ నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. వితౌట్ ఏఐ, మనం చిన్నప్పుడు కంప్యూటర్ ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నామో ఇప్పుడు ఏఐ కోర్స్ లో నేర్చుకోవాలి, లేకపోతే there is no future, guys, it's for sure. So this is what I want to deliver, like in today's session. Why? Because it's a very very important, like session, and these all are the subjects you guys need to have. So in today's session I will give some overview what we learn. So what is the, like course I am dealing with my students. I trained some thousands of students, so they got, like more knowledge and they got jobs. So many people settle in the data scientist, data, like engineer, and so many job roles. In next class I will discuss with you the job roles which we are going to get in the data science. So regarding, like what is AI we discussed, and what is this generative AI we discussed, and, like we learned regarding the differences between AI, generative AI, and agentic AI and data science. So what is this data science means, and what data science, like subjects are, and what every subject, and I will discuss with you, like guys, not to worry, I will explain you every subject in the detailed manner. Why? Because every, like subject is playing the key role. So you need to understand a deeper manner what this means and what this means. So from today onwards, like I am going to, like deliver a beautiful content to you. So if you want to learn more, like content from me, so please do like, share and subscribe. Why? Because, like మీకు నా నుంచి ఒక మంచి కంటెంట్ వస్తుంది అంటే ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ మీ గైస్. సో అనదర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్, మీరు ఒక ఫుల్, like course. So this course is almost 6 months, guys. If you want to, like contact with me, and you want to, like మీరు నన్ను కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే, సో ఎంటైర్, like 6 months కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి మీరు అండ్ అనుకుంటే, సో యూ కెన్, like గో టు మై బయో, అండ్ బయోలో నా మొబైల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ మీ. సో ఐ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ యూ, like ఎంటైర్ కోర్స్ ని నేను మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్, గైస్, అండ్ ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ యూ, అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ.